My last video about this 3D printed disc shooter really blew up. Thank you for all the views and all the comments. Many of you suggested to make it even bigger. Let's do that! Here are the parts for the new version. Just check the size difference, it's enormous. Let's assemble it. Let's shoot some discs and see how hard this one hits. Okay folks, this shot was really insane and this thing is kind of dangerous. During testing I even broke one of the parts which was not strong enough for all the force.